नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज चक्र, भारत का सबसे सर्वाधिक खबरों वाला चैनल, जो आपको निष्पक्ष सच्ची खबरें सबसे पहले न्यूज चक्र पर मिलती है।
इन्फ्लुएंसर शर्मिष्ठा पनोली से जेल में अत्याचार, वकील की मांग 13 जून से पहले रिहा किया जाए। सोशल मीडिया कंटेंट क्रिएटर शर्मिष्ठा पनोली की गिरफ्तारी का मामला तूल पकड़ता जा रहा है। यही वजह है कि सोशल मीडिया पर कई लोग शर्मिष्ठा के समर्थन में नजर आए, तो कुछ लोग उनके खिलाफ। कंटेंट क्रिएटर की गिरफ्तारी पर बंगाल सरकार और पुलिस दोनों की आलोचना हो रही है। इसी बीच शर्मिला को जेल से बाहर लाने की तमाम मशक्कत की जा रही है। इन्फ्लुएंसर शर्मिष्ठा पनोली के वकील मोहम्मद समीमुद्दीन ने कहा कि हम 13 जून से पहले उसे जेल से बाहर निकालने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं। वह अलीपुर महिला सुधार गृह में अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रही है, उसके गुर्दे में पथरी है।
See, today we have filed an application before the learned CJM at Alipur, praying that she gets all the basic necessities. That includes a clean toilet, she being accessible to medical treatment, and also getting newspapers and magazines being accessible to her. See, we are now today we will sit and we will discuss across the table as to what should be the next plan of action, because we are right now in a position to ensure that she be released before 13th of June. See, the parents have informed me that she is absolutely innocent. They want their daughter to be released as soon as possible from judicial custody.
Very rightly, Kangana Ranawat ji has said that don't make West Bengal another North Korea, because like North Korea, you don't have freedom of speech over there. But in India, in our Bharat, we have Dr. Ambedkar ji's constitution where there is freedom of speech. But in West Bengal, you don't have freedom of speech. And you have two types of rules, one for the Muslims and one for the Hindus. Because, you know, this law student from Pune, Sharmishtha Panoli, the post that she had done against Pakistan and against Muslims, she repeatedly asked for forgiveness and she deleted the post. In spite of that, Mamata Banerjee is the police minister and her police was so active in this, we have seen, that they went to Gurugram and they arrested her. But in the other case, you see, when Shayani Ghosh, a TMC leader, she had placed a condom on the Shivlinga, there was no action. That was also a social post, social media post. Again, you see Mahua Maitra. Repeatedly, she has been abusing our goddess Ma Kali. She has been saying that Ma Kali smokes the cigarette, you know, has liquor, and these kind of languages, you know. No action has been taken. You have seen our mayor and minister of TMC, very close to Mamata Banerjee, Firad Hakim. He repeatedly, you know, asked the Hindus to come and join the Muslim, be a Muslim. It is extremely fortunate to be a Muslim, as if it is extremely unfortunate to be a Hindu. No action has been taken. You have seen another TMC MLA, Humayun Kabir, who has said that we in Murshidabad, we Muslims are the majority. I'm warning you, Hindus, we will cut you and, you know, wash you away in the river Bhagirathi. No action has been taken. And the last, in Murshidabad, you know, the riot which has taken place, Honorable Court has said that it has been done by TMC leaders. Report says that the TMC councillor, Mehboob Alam, and Dhulian municipality chairman Injamul Haq, TMC MLAs and a TMC minister has been responsible for this premeditated riot. No action has been taken. So in West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee's Muslim appeasement, why she didn't take any action against Shayani? Because she doesn't want to, you know, for her Hindus are, you know, not of any importance. For her only Muslims are important, and that is the reason, you know, when Sharmishta, even after repeatedly asking for forgiveness, she has been given, I think, till the 13th in judicial custody.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, टीम न्यूज चक्र।
ताजा खबरों के लिए न्यूज चक्र पेज को फॉलो करें और लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें। अगर आप हमें फेसबुक, ट्विटर, इंस्टा के माध्यम से देख रहे हैं तो फॉलो, कमेंट करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद।